Welcome to another In Wheel Time podcast, a 30-minute mini version of the In Wheel Time car show that airs live every Saturday morning, 8 to 11 a.m. Central.
I know. All right, time now for this hour's car review. Mr. Mars has a review of the Ram 1500.
Yeah, do. It is actually the 2023 Ram 1500, and they kept it in the fleet a long time because everybody was wanting to get a hands on it.
In the fleet of what?
Oh, in the press fleet, excuse me. It's because everybody was wanting to get a hold of this vehicle. And it comes in 7 trim levels, starting with the Tradesman, which is going to be your basic work truck. Then it goes up through the Bighorn Lone Star, which are technically the same things. The Bighorn's Lone Star in Texas, Laramie Rebel, the Limited Longhorn, the Limited, and then the Hot Rod TRX. We had the Limited Elite Crew Cab 4x4. Now, the Elite is a new sub-trim level, if you will, that's available for the Limited. And this is a full-size pickup. It's got 5 passengers in it. This trim level, again, is new for 2023. So it's got the LED lighting all the way around, headlights, taillights, etc. But I also found that it had a LED light in the tailgate latch compartment that shines down on the trailer hitch so that you can see whenever you're hooking up your trailer. I thought it was really cool. Got the multifunctional tailgate. It locks whenever you lock everything else. It's got the dampening system that comes down on it. The power tailgate release that kind of lowers it. Doesn't make it go back up, but it will lower it. Makes it nice and convenient. The power running boards. My wife really liked the power running boards. For one thing, they came out long.
Your wife is only 4'11", so she would.
She needs them, yeah. But it's got a wide step on it, and it comes way out, and it's quick. We were rolling on some 20 by 3-inch aluminum wheels, really nice looking. And we had the trailer tow group. Now, this includes the reverse steering system that's mounted in the dash so that you can tell the computer which way you want to go, and it'll turn the steering wheel accordingly to make the trailer go
That's pretty cool.
the direction you need. Now, inside, we were in the Limited, you got to remember. So we had the Elite package. So we had the premium leather seating. Had a digital rearview mirror. We had the heads-up display. The front seats are heated and ventilated. The rear seats were ventilated. They weren't heated, but they were ventilated. We had the Uconnect system, which I dearly love the way it works. We had the big 12-inch display for it. We found that's where you get your Uconnect infotainment system, the nav, convenience controls, all your inside pieces for that. We also had the 12-inch digital gauge cluster. You can format the things that you want for the driver that you can see up front on it. Works out really well, particularly with the heads-up display. We had the 19-speaker Hardin Carman premium sound system that would literally, you could almost make that cab expand with a thump, thump, thump.
Could almost bring Jimmy Buffett back.
Yeah. Wireless charger, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all those good things, and plenty of places to plug your stuff in. Now, we had the 5.7-liter Hemi with the e-torque system up front under the hood. Can't get that anymore. Has 395 horsepower, 410 pound-feet of torque.
That.
And I do like the e-torque system. I was well impressed with it when I first ran across it. The tow rating on this vehicle, properly equipped with its tow package, 11,470 pounds. Haul rating, 1,990 pounds in a half-ton truck. It's got a haul on it. Got air suspension all the way around. The e-torque system helps with the acceleration. You're not going to find a whole lot better. Base model price on this vehicle is $42,155. Base trim price is $68,145. Our MSRP is tested, $79,165 for a really nice truck. Runs up against the Super Cab, Ford F-150, the Chevy Silverado 1500, Toyota Tundra, and it'd be a tough choice between all of them if you're looking for a truck in that caliber.
Wow.
All right, thank you, sir. I forgot to tell everybody that Jeff's racing calendar was sponsored by Texas Muscle Car Club Challenge.
Thank you.
Quick break now. We'll be right back here on the In Wheel Time Talk Show. Shoot us an email if you want to get in touch with us. The address is info@inwheeltime.com. And be sure and follow us on Facebook. Back in a flash. The original group.
That's it for this podcast episode of the In Wheel Time Car Show. I'm Don Armstrong, inviting you to join us for our live show every Saturday morning, 8 to 11 a.m. Central on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and our InWheelTime.com website. Podcasts are available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher, iHeart Podcast, Podcast Addict, TuneIn, Pandora, and Amazon Music. Keep listening, and we'll see you soon.